What's up, you guys? It's your Skinny Boy Randy. Hope you're having a great, blessed, growing, prosperous day. It is January the 10th, 2020. You guys, we're 10 days into the new year. Happy 2020 if I haven't seen you, or you haven't seen me. Love you guys. But here we go. We're going to check on the greenhouse. It's been 5 days since we planted our seeds. And for you guys who are joining me for the first time, this is your Skinny Boy Randy gardening in Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia. Just growing in my backyard, and this is my first time having a greenhouse. So we've been experimenting with seeds and everything, so come on in. As you can see, it's nice and toasty in here. When I got off of work today, I have to work a regular job. I love my job. And so we got some seeds started. And this is my little workspace, you guys. It feels like a little safe haven for me to just come and relax and grow and watch stuff grow. And so thank you guys for listening to that. Now, we planted cucumbers, we planted tomatoes, we planted pumpkin, we planted collards, we planted sweet corn. We're just trying everything inside of the greenhouse. This is Greenhouse Growing Experiment 101, you guys. So, just wanted to give you an update on what's growing and what's not. So, what are the first... Oh, Monsieur Charlie Mouse. I did plant some cherry tomatoes. Sorry, you guys. Sidebar to Miss Cheryl Tally Moss and the Cheryl Tally Moss Organic Food Forest. Love you guys. I did plant some. So we got tomatoes, we got peppers, we got cucumbers, squash, beets, radish, broccoli, turnips, lettuce, collards, zucchini. What do you think came up first, you guys? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. What do you think came up first? I'll go ahead and tell you. The turnip. These are purple top white globe turnip. Okay? And they are the first to break ground. Now, I came out here about 8 o'clock this morning, and there was nothing in there. For real, you guys, nothing. And now look. The turnips have shown their face first. And also, right behind those are the radish. I see a green radish coming up. Can you guys see it over there? Right there. It's coming on up. So the radish and the turnip have broken ground before anything else, you guys. So you keep growing. Have a great growing, prosperous day. Just wanted to share that update with you guys. I'm going to share the updates with you as I get them. Look at the radish that we separated. And the yellow leaves are the first leaves that are starting to die off, and the new leaves are coming in. Do you guys see that? Yep. And then we have this unknown object that grows inside of our green bed, our mustard greens. Yep. So there you have it. And of course our beets are still thriving in their new soil and their new home. So I love you guys. Remember, live, love, laugh, grow stuff, and eat it. Peace out.